And all right, boys and girls, this is a game called rolling golf. Now, as you can see behind me, we've tried to make something that looks like maybe something to do with your flat or something you may have at home. There are some chairs, there's a laundry basket, there's a bin, there's a carpet rolled up in the corner and a cuddly toy. Now, me and Mr. Percival are going to play a game of golf. The fewest rolls is the winner. All right, but if you do hit any of the obstacles that we've laid out, you will have a one-stroke penalty, which means you add one extra shot at the end. Okay, so me and Mr. Percival play rock, paper, scissors to start. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Mr. Percival wins, so he can go first. He takes a roll, aiming for a space. That's his shot number one. Now it's my turn. So I'm going to go from the yellow, and I roll. Oh! That's a very good one. Mr. Percival, to take your second shot. Oh, it's so close. That's shot number two. Oh, and I just hit the trophy. So that's me then with two shots. Okay, only 2 points. And Mr. Percival, when he takes his final shot, well done, Mr. Percival. He scored it in 3. Now, to make that game more difficult, you can play it by kicking the socks along the floor, but not in the air. Okay, and before you play the game, make sure you can use all of the equipment from your mummies and daddies. Enjoy, boys and girls.